Crime Watch.
Tharindu Tanushka Silva, a resident of Amaramoli Mawatha in Midaramulla in Ahungala, was shot by two unidentified gunmen while he was travelling on a motorbike along with his relatives' two children. He succumbed to his injuries upon admission to the Balapitiya hospital. Police said the 5-year-old and 1.5-year-old children had fallen off the motorbike after the victim was shot and were admitted to the Balapitiya hospital. Meanwhile, the motorbike suspected to have been used by the gunmen was discovered at a property in close proximity to the Arawola Army Military Intelligence Corps on the 15th of this month.
Crime Watch.